Hello all, I'm going to explain in this video a simple Arduino LED project where LEDs light up in sequence and then turn off in the same order. This project is greater for beginners. The component needed are Arduino Uno, breadboards, LEDs, jumper wires. The wiring up, the long lead anode of each LED is connected to a digital pin in the Arduino board, and the short leg, which is called as cathode of the LEDs, are connected to the ground. So here in the ground is connected in the breadboard's negative bus strip. The negative bus strip got a black wire which is connected to the ground. I'm going to explain the code now. So this is the sketch where we write our Arduino code, which contains the setup and loop. In the setup, I have written a for loop where I equal to 6, I less than or equal to 13, and I plus plus. So here the digital pin I have started as 6 and up to 13, 8 pins I have used consequently. So I'm making the pin mode as an output for all the 8 pins. And in the bottom method for the loop, I have added 2 for loops. The first for loop, I'm lighting up all the LEDs in a sequential order, and then I got a delay of 1 second. And in the second for loop, I'm turning off the light of all the LEDs in a sequential order. Thanks for watching my video.